How to replace Whirlpool refrigerator water filter. Here are the steps to replace a Whirlpool refrigerator water filter. 1. Locate the filter housing. It is usually at the top back of the refrigerator compartment. 2. Remove the old filter cartridge by twisting it counterclockwise. A small amount of water may drain out. 3. Clean the filter housing using a cloth or paper towel if needed. Inspect and replace any deformed filter cap O-rings. 4. Take the new replacement filter and remove any packaging or protective covers. 5. Align the new cartridge with the filter housing and insert, twisting clockwise to lock it into place. You may need to apply some extra force initially. 6. Run about 2 to 3 gallons of water through the dispenser periodically, checking carefully for any leaks. This will clear residual carbon dust from the new filter and lines. 7. Reset the replacement status light or indicator if your refrigerator has one. Refer to the instruction manual on model-specific reset procedures. 8. Mark your calendar for 3 to 6 months when your next replacement is due for the filter capacity. Changing the water filter routinely keeps water clean, safe, and fresh tasting. Replacement Whirlpool filters can be purchased affordably at most hardware and home goods stores. Properly recycling the old cartridge also helps the environment.